Namaste you all, myself Vaidehi and you're watching me on Brown Life. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I got this easy Raksha Bandhan friendly makeup look. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep watching. So this is what I look without any makeup on. Yes, not even half of what I was looking before. So we are going to start with primer today because my skincare is already done. I did apply aloe vera gel and that's what my skincare is all about. So I'm using primer by the brand, I think it's by the brand Wet n Wild, and it's their matte finish primer. Because my skin has become so oily these days, so I was thinking to apply something which will set my face matte, and that's the reason I use Wet n Wild's primer. Now for foundation, I'm using Color Essence Color Your Spirit HD foundation stick, and it says that it's a oil free foundation stick, so it is meant for oily skin type people and not dry skin types. And also it has SPF 15 in it, but the problem was ये मेरा shade नहीं है, and that was a little bit a bummer for me. You can see my hand and my face, they are looking way too different than each other. So but okay, we contoured our face so harshly that it will cancel out all the whiteness that is on my face. I did apply foundation stick on my neck, on my ears, and I must say it blends well. To conceal my eye area, I'm using NY Base concealer stick and it's in the shade caramel. It did blend it well on my eye area, but I will tell you what's the problem. I'm setting that eye area using Innisfree's mineral loose powder, and it retails for 500 or 550, something like that. For eyeshadow palette, we have Nikake's Poison Apple eyeshadow palette, and you can see I'm swatching all the matte shades and they are so pigmented, they are supremely pigmented. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to take that plain peachy white color and I'm going to apply it from my inner corners of my eyelids towards the outer corner of my eyelids, basically creating a base for my makeup. Honestly, this step was not important, I just did it for my convenience. Now I'm going to create, you must have seen my last makeup tutorial in which I did that baby pink Barbie kind of rosy makeup look. It is as similar to that video, just with a hint of some bronziness in it. Now you can see I'm taking that wine color and applying it towards the outer corner of my eyelids to create a depth. I was so happy while I was using this palette because eyeshadow colors were not patchy at all, they were blending like magic, and that's what made me happy. Now using that baby pink color, I'm going to apply it on centers of my eyelid and I will blend it towards the outer corner because I want to create a shaded look, like lighter se leke darker. That's what my plan was. I really don't know if I really need to explain this step because this is very common step that I do in most of my videos, that is blending my eyeshadow colors together. Now to intensify my outer corner, I'm going to apply that wine color and I'm going to create a depth towards the outer corner of my eyelids. So this is what I created in my last makeup tutorial, but to add a twist in it, I'm going to apply that bronzy shimmery shade using my fingertip, and I'm creating kind of cut crease makeup. But if you don't have natural cut crease like me, you can create it using concealer. If you don't know how to do that, then I will do it for you in some other video. Now to blend both the shades together, I'm using baby pink color and that shimmery color, and I'm blending them together. Yes, that's what I want to say. And this makeup look is inspired by my dress, and that is what I was trying to show you. Now I'll be back after a while. Yes, I'm back. I'm so sorry if I'm not explaining all the steps rightly. I'm so sorry. I'm tired and I'm busy at the same time, but okay. Moving on, I'm going to conceal my under eye area, and for that again I'm using NY Base कंसीलर स्टिक इन द शेड कैरमल. मत खरीदना, अच्छा है, कवरेज sheer मीडियम ऐसी है, but the problem is I am a dry skin type girl. I do have little bit wrinkle issue under my eye area because I never took care of myself when I was a teen. Like I'm a teen right now, but when I was in my school days, I never took care of my skin, and ये जो कंसीलर है ये रिंकल्स में सेटल्ड हो जाता है, एंड दैट मेड made my makeup look so bad on me. So moving on to contour, for that I'm using Inside Cosmetics Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade, I don't know what's the shade it is, but it is way too darker than my skin tone, and that's why I used it as my contour. I did contour my nose, my forehead area. Moving on to eyeshadow again, well, I want to say that I did set my under eye area using Innisfree's Mineral Loose powder, and I'm so sorry for not adding clip in this video. Now I'm going to apply that same wine color on my lower lash line. So this is how I apply my eyeliner. I haven't fast forwarded this video because so many of you were asking me how I do that, how I create my wing eyeliner. This is like a basic routine that I like to follow. I'm kind of creating a wing in this video, but not like a lumpy wali wing, but a really small cute wing. I don't know how to explain this step because I'm so bad at explaining makeup tutorials. I'm good at doing it only, and that's a bummer, I know. But this is how I created my wing. Now I'm going to create a flick towards the outer corner, like whatever product is left on your brush, take it and try to flick it towards the outer corner of your eyelid to create a sexy wing. That's what I want to say. Moving on to eyebrows, I'm using my personal favorite Wet n Wild's retractable eyebrow pencil. This does have a spoolie, so I combed my eyebrows with it, and now I'm filling my eyebrows using that same pencil. So Raksha Bandhan is an Indian festival, तो बिंदी लगानी पड़ेगी. Why not? And I know, thank you so much. I know, I look cute. I know that. Moving on to lipstick, I'm going to use NY Base lipstick in the shade 19, and the shade name is Marvelous Michael, but it was not going with the entire vibe, so I covered my lipstick using another lipstick by the brand Maybelline. It's in the shade Nude Nuance. This color washes me out a little bit, so I did apply it over my NY Base lipstick, and I'm setting it with Mineral Loose powder by Innisfree so that it will look a little bit matte, because I don't like that shiny wali feeling on my lips. Using that Nude Nuance by Maybelline, I'm using it like a blush, और फ्लो में मैंने इतना ब्लश लगा लिया कि मैं ऐसे क्लाउन जैसे दिख रही थी. सो आई डिड टेम डाउन दैट पिगमेंटेशन यूजिंग दैट फ्लैट फाउंडेशन ब्रश. दिस ब्रश सेज दैट इट्स फ्रॉम मैक, बट आई नो दिस इज़ नॉट बाय द ब्रांड मैक. ये सिर्फ मैक का नाम लिखा हुआ है उसके ऊपर. मूविंग ऑन टू हाइलाइटर, आई एम यूजिंग वेट न वाइल्ड्स मेगा ग्लो हाइलाइटर. इसका जो इनिशियल लेयर जब हट गया ना यूज़ करने के बाद, दिस वॉज द मोस्ट ब्लाइंडिंग हाइलाइटर एवर. And moving on, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Very common step, I do this in every video. I'm going to curl my lashes and I'm going to apply mascara, my OG favorite mascara by the brand Maybelline. So I paired my dress and my makeup with that colorful earring, and I got them from Amazon. I think I got them for 200 or 300 rupees. I know, very cheap, but quality was really good. Also, I bought this palazzo dress from Myntra. I think I got this dress for 1300 or 500 something at MRP, not on sale. I will provide all the links in the description box, so if you want to check out, then please do that. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please hit the like button. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Snapchat. I'll provide all the links in the description box. Also follow me on Instagram because I'm thinking to upload some more series of makeup on Instagram, on IGTV, on Reels. I paired my entire makeup with a nude nail paint and a ring because that ring was giving me that Indian, Hindustani, Maharashtrian look. I got that ring from Amazon. I will provide all the links if I can found because I bought all of these things while back. So yes.